Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here, and I am coming to you from the beach. So if you landed on this video, guys, this video will explain to you how to remove hard inquiries off your credit report. All right, so how do you move hard inquiries off your credit reports? First, you want to have the letters that I provide for you that comes through My Econ, right? Short for My Economy. The letters that we have already been approved by attorneys. They've already been submitted in for hard inquiry removal, and the hard inquiries have been removed. Okay, so this is what happens, guys. So it's no one sitting in the credit bureau office or the creditor's office reading your letters. The letters are going through a system, and if the system has, if the letters have the correct verbiage, then the system approves the letters and the hard inquiries are removed. Okay, and so that's the first thing that you must know, because most people like just to Google letters, just start sending any old thing to the credit bureaus or to the creditor, and it gets denied because there's no one sitting there reading the letters. You need to go ahead and grab letters that's already worked, that already been approved, that people have already got results. Okay, that's the first thing. Then the second thing, guys, is that when you have a hard inquiry on your credit report, if the creditor did not give you credit, then you can get it removed, right? Because that means it's an unverified account. Anybody could be on the computer, you know, applying for new credit. So it's simple and easy, right? So if you applied for a Macy's card and you didn't get it, and it's no Macy's account on your credit report, then you can get the hard inquiry removed. Okay, now if you apply for something and you got the credit, then guess what? You can't get it removed, guys, all right? Because the account is on your credit report and it can be verified, all right? And so the third thing that I must share with you is this. It's a myth that it says, oh, hard inquiries stay on your credit report for 2 years. That is a lie, friends. Once again, that is a lie. If they didn't give you credit, then it can be removed. It does not have to be on your credit report for 2 years like they tell you. All you have to do is send the letter that we have for you. Okay, so if you want these letters, go ahead and simply like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click the link at the bottom of this video. It should say www.diysmartcredit.com. Go ahead and put your email address there, sign up on my list, and you can go ahead and grab the letters that we provide for you. Okay, and so I want to share this with you too. Most people ask me, Sabrina, okay, so who do I send the hard inquiry letters to? You send it both to the creditor and to the credit bureau. Why? Because if you just send it to the credit bureau may respond and say, oh, it's not my responsibility. You need to send it to the creditor. And if you just send it to the creditor, then the creditor says, oh, it's not my responsibility. Send it to the credit bureau. Listen, just send it to both. Send it to the credit bureau and send it to the creditor. That way they are both held accountable. No one can put the responsibility on one another. They both have the letters, so they both have to remove it off of your credit report. The credit bureau will remove it off your credit report, and the creditor will stop reporting that it's a hard inquiry. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe for more great credit videos just like this. Go ahead and sign up and be a part of my do-it-yourself smart credit system, guys, so that you can start fixing your credit report and you don't have to pay tons of hundreds and thousands of dollars and play this waiting game with other credit specialists. You can do it yourself. All right, so this is your girl Sabrina Wright. I am your prosperity coach, guys, and you deserve to win. Bye-bye now.